Border is perimeter, this border.
Ma'am, recording has start.
Okay, thank you. So you can see this edge means border and that is perimeter. And area means this whole inside part which covers the space. That. So area we will learn in detail afterwards. I have already told you about perimeter. Then we have seen the perimeter formula also, and use of this also is very important. Huh? I have sent this, so those who have written, if they have doubt, they can ask me. Okay? Here it is written, architect who plans and design building. So whenever like school building or anything, so they see area, no, land कि कितनी जमीन चाहिए होगी, कैसी बना देते building. First, what they see,
Excuse
the
me,
area and everything, no?
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
first they see
myself
that
Kadzo.
कितनी जमीन हमको चाहिए.
One student. Yes, say what? And what is your name?
Kadri Zoha.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, Zoha say.
Ma'am, I have seen that video that you have sent me,
Huh?
but still I cannot understand. So can you again explain me
That
how
I
to
will
find
explain. Huh?
parameters with formula?
Huh? And those who have seen this PDF, which I have sent on Saturday, they can also ask the doubt from the PDF. I have sent all this method and everything. Now this is question number 1, which we have to solve. So first 3 I have already told you that I have solved, but you can see D, E, F. That I have not solved. Okay? So first someone has to tell me that which shape is this. So if you know the answer, then write your name. My question is that which shape is this, which shape is this, and which shape is this. Okay, so write your name and Khadija then tell me if they are writing their
Yes, ma'am.
name. Again, I'm repeating the question. My question is that which shape is this? Like shape of the window, shape of the pillow, that.
Zainab ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you please, मैम मुझे ऊपर वाला समझ में नहीं आया फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
I'm explaining.
Ma'am, Mehreen, Muskan, Kulsum, and Sayyida.
Okay. Mehreen,
And
first you
Shia.
tell me which object is this and what is the shape? You have to see this measurement.
Ma'am, it is a calculator.
Yes. It is a calculator and here two measurements are given. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So which length, which is length and which is breadth?
Length is 90 centimeter
And
and breadth is 30 centimeter.
so that day I have explained length and breadth and what do we call in Gujarati also. Yes. So who remember? I have told you.
I know only one.
हाँ
I
say.
know both Sayeda. Pagthai.
That is breadth.
Lambai. It
Yes.
is length.
By
Lambai. By John.
length.
Lambai.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Now you all can mute the mic. Very good. So those who have asked me the doubt just now, these all the girls are told what is length, what is breadth. Even when you go now somewhere to any tailor, so when they are cutting any cloth, first they measure length and breadth everything. लंबाई ने पगथाई ने वो सब देखते हैं कि वो कितना गहरा है, कितना ब्रॉड है, कितना लंबा है, वो सब देखते हैं फिर काटते हैं. And this is rectangular, so here length is given and breadth is given. So I have explained now perimeter means what that. Or shall we revise?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's revise
We know.
because right now I have so many videos now, so it will be very hard for me to find because so many science video also I have. This one. Zoha, you were there when I have explained this. Zoha?
Zainab ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I write in chat box my name, but there is not take my name.
Same complain. Baapre. Zoha, are you there?
Ma'am, I think it is left.
Okay. So we are not
Ma'am, he
revising.
is not there in class.
Okay, okay. So I think so you all know what is perimeter. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Border of anything.
Yes, ma'am.
So to find the border, we just have to add all the numbers. Here four sides are given. 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Here one and here one. So who will tell me what is the perimeter of this edge of the table?
8.
Ma'am, can I also?
8. Ma'am,
You
can I marry?
together. You all can say together.
8.
8
8.
8.
meter.
8.
8 meter.
8.
8.
8.
Meter.
8.
So here you have to find that using formula. Okay, and what is the formula?
2 multiplied by length plus breadth. 2 multiplied by length plus breadth.
Perimeter of rectangle equals to
Ah.
2.
Other students, you also say the formula. In the notes also I have sent, and even in the textbook it is given. Even I have also explained.
2
Perimeter.
multiplied by L plus B.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Perimeter.
Ma'am, my workbook is complete, but I not written notes. I write only exercise 1, 2, and 3 exercise I did.
You see the notes. I have sent the notes so.
मैम बस मैम आपने सॉल्व करके नहीं
Rectangle
दिया है वो पीडीएफ
length plus breadth.
Yes. And other students, you also please say the formula.
Perimeter of
perimeter
Perimeter of rectangle length multiplied by breadth.
मैम मैम we have to write whole pdf.
Yes.
Okay. मैम वो रूबी मैम ने सेंड किया है वो क्या है?
That also I have to explain. I want to complete the syllabus.
Okay.
And that is not my responsibility, I think so. So those who have not repeat the formula, they can repeat. Those who have already said one time, they will not say.
Perimeter. Okay ma'am.
Other student, those who have not said this formula, please say one time. Because I don't think so everyone said.
Perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by bracket length plus
Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth.
I Alicia.
Yes, Alicia.
I send you photo, you see.
Right now I can't see, no? Afterward I will see.
अभी नहीं, मैंने आपको थोड़े दिन पहले सेंड किया था.
अच्छा फोटो. अच्छा हाँ, the plant.
हाँ.
Okay, that I saw.
So आज बताओगे?
Maybe if time will left.
Okay.
Good morning, Zainab ma'am.
Good morning, Iman. So hope everyone has revised this formula. And hope you also remember how this formula came. And then also I'm explaining.
Why I am not giving answer because my mic is not opening. No,
So who will tell me in rectangle which sides are same? In this rectangle, which sides are same? This rectangle. These ones. Yes, who wants to say? Which sides are same?
breadth.
Which but? Up, down, right, left, which?
Up down is same. And left right is also same.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So up and down, that are same, and which are same other?
Up and down, same.
Huh.
Left and right. Sorry,
Yes.
left and right.
Which are same. So there are two length and two breadth. That's why in the formula also two length and two breadth. Okay. So
Okay,
let's
ma'am.
do the formula.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I ask because ma'am, my that account Iman Fatima Nayan is mic is not working and I can't do in that nothing.
Write the reason in the chat box then go. Otherwise, he
Ma'am,
might
but
not come.
the fact it is not working in my computer yet now.
Okay. Okay.
So
Huh.
can I left?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Bye bye.
The formula of a perimeter of rectangle.
2 multiplied by length plus breadth.
Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth.
So here length plus breadth. And in this first question, length is how much and breadth is how much? Length is
Length,
Ma'am,
length
length is 90 centimeter and
and
breadth
breadth
is 30 centimeter.
yes. So we have to write 90 where L
plus
is
30.
there and where B is there, there we have to write 30. Then in next step what we will do 90 plus 30. 120 then
120.
multiply by 2.
120 multiplied by 2 equals to 240 centimeter.
240 centimeter.
So now we have to solve DEF.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say Khadija?
Ma'am,
Uh,
can I say Muskan?
Ma'am,
nahin,
can I say Khadija?
I want other students.
Can I say that?
No. Now my question is that here what we will write means where L is there and where B is there. There.
Ma'am, can I say Muskan?
No, sorry. I said no, I want other students.
Ma'am, can I say Khadija?
No, you are also even you also got very nice mark this time, Khadija. It is good. In FA3, you then Mehreen, Muskan, so many girls got very nice marks.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So is there any other student ready to give the answer that in this question, what is length and what is breadth? लेंथ कितनी है ब्रेथ कितनी है
Ma'am, can I say Malcolm?
हाँ ताहिरा यू कैन से
Breadth 30 centimeter and length 50 centimeter.
okay very good so Tahira's answer is right so we have to write all both of these things in this answer so we'll write 50 plus 30 so what will be the answer
Ma'am, we have to multiply by 80. To multiply by 80.
but first 50 plus 30
50 plus 30. 80. 80. 80. To multiply by 80 equal to 150 centimeter.
160 centimeter.
yes Kulsum yes even Kulsum's answer is right very good Kulsum
Ma'am, my answer is right and I am doing also rough book.
very good
Ma'am,
if you are
after lecture is over, no, then I show it.
okay you can
Ma'am, I will also.
yes now how many minutes you want to do E means to try in the rough book
1 minute.
Ma'am,
okay
1 minute only.
so try
मैं ट्यूशन में जा रही हूँ ना तो ट्यूशन टीचर ने मेरे को क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 दोनों सिखा दिया वो भी आता है
good So after 1 minute, we will solve E. Right
Ma'am,
now, we have to solve E.
I have done, Muskan.
Good, very good.
I have done.
Who was that? Who said just now?
Tahira.
Very good.
Tahira.
Very good.
Ma'am, I am doing 1 minute. Ma'am,
मैम
Zainab ma'am.
Yes.
मैम जब आप एक्टिविटी के सर्टिफिकेट बनाओगे कि आज लास्ट डेट है मेरा बाकी है ना इसलिए.
हाँ, but send me as soon as possible.
Yes ma'am, I sent today onwards on.
Okay.
मैं भी आज सेंड कर दूंगी.
Okay.
मैम आपको सेंड करना ना ग्रुप में.
Yes.
मैम पीडीएफ सेंड करना ना जो ड्रॉ करने का है उसको.
But not the same thing you have to draw. Something else you have to draw. I will give. I will just send the example.
2 into plus
मैम
multiplication. 5.
मैम
हाँ.
Zainab मैम मैम I have a doubt
हाँ.
in length and breadth.
हाँ. So ask. In length and breadth
Ma'am,
only.
I can't explain this.
Ma'am, I learn formula also.
Hey, just now who was asking the doubt?
Ma'am, like Aiza.
हाँ. So Kulsum, now don't speak because I'm explaining to Faiza. So Faiza, which shape is this? What is the shape of the window? What?
Yes.
Your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, she is telling square.
No. It is not square. Faiza, which shape is this?
Square shape.
No, I'm explaining. See, when all the sides are same, no, up, down, left, right, then it is square. But here up is a little bit. You can see up, then this right, then this left, and then this down. These are not same.
Okay.
So
Yes.
this is not square. This is which shape? Rectangle. Okay, rectangle. And in rectangle, up and down side are same.
Yes.
रेक्टेंगल होता है ना, उसमें ऊपर की साइड और नीचे की साइड सेम होता है, ऊपर और नीचे का.
Okay.
एंड देन
Excuse
राइट
me,
और लेफ्ट सेम होता है. यस.
Ma'am,
ma'am, I have left because my mobile has no charging. Now I have joined.
ओके. सो फाइजा, यू कैन सी अप एंड डाउन आर सेम एंड लेफ्ट एंड राइट आर सेम. तो वो रेक्टेंगल हुआ. रेक्टेंगल में जो लंबाई होती है ना, कोई भी चीज की लंबाई, जैसे टेक्स्ट बुक है या तो कारपेंटर ऑल्सो व्हेन दे कट द वुड, तो वुड काटने के टाइम वो मेजर करते हैं ना, मेजर टेप से.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. सो दे मेजर लेंथ और ब्रेथ ऑल्सो, के ऊपर से नीचे तक वो कितना लंबा है और राइट से लेफ्ट तक कितना लंबा है. ओके, सो दैट इज लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
And now our time is up, so we are starting this.
Yes, ma'am.
So who will tell me? Write your
Can
name only. So I can give the chance.
Khadija.
And Khadija, then tell me, those who are writing their name.
Yes, ma'am.
And I will not take line wise. She will tell me line wise, but I will select that who means not the same name I want. That's why. So Khadija, tell me whose name. I think so. Muskan, Merin, their names are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Muskan, Mehreen, Faiza, Kulsum.
हाँ Khadija, repeat.
Mehreen, Faiza, and Muskan, Mehreen, Faiza, Kulsum.
Okay, Faiza and Kulsum.
Ma'am, my name is also there.
Okay, Sayeda, no? Okay. Then any other
Ma'am,
names?
they have written first.
Now,
Then any other student wants to solve
Ma'am,
this?
I Malik Tahira.
Okay. Then any other?
ma'am,
Ma'am, can I?
Inshia, Ifat have also
Muskan.
written.
Muskan.
So
Ma'am,
Kulsum will.
Inshia and Ifat have also written
Ma'am,
name.
can I Marin?
No, Kulsum will do. Kulsum say
Okay, ma'am.
right here.
Ma'am,
Chal.
Naparino.
हाँ
Mera.
Okay, ma'am. Length is equal to 90 cm. Breadth is equal to 70 cm.
हाँ. So here what should I write?
90 cm.
90 plus 70 no?
Yes, ma'am.
तो 90 और 70 कितने होंगे?
160. 160.
Ma'am, I know answer.
फिर उसको है ना वो जो नंबर है ना उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई
हाँ so
वो टेबल के साथ करने का तो आंसर 320 आएगा सेंटीमीटर cm.
yes,
My answer is right.
very
Ma'am,
good.
my
Then who
answer is right, Muskan. My answer is right, Marin.
very good. So 3
Ma'am,
students.
my answer is right, Kulsum.
Okay, 4 students. Then,
My answer is right, Sayeda.
very good Sayeda. 5 students. Then
Ma'am, my answer is right, Malkan Mera.
very
Ma'am,
good.
my answer is right. Bagania.
Tahira.
Very good Tahira.
My answer is right.
Ma'am, my answer is right.
My
Bagania.
answer is right, Khadija.
Very good Khadija, Taiba, Humaira. Very good.
Ma'am,
Kulsum, very good. And then any other student? Only this many. So other students, if
Is right.
Faiza.
very good Faiza. And other student, if you have doubt, what is the formula? How can we put this length and breadth? Then ask me doubt right now, please.
ma'am,
Yes.
मैम मैंने जो किया
How can
मैंने
we put?
One student, na? So first I think so Kulsum was saying. So Kulsum, you complete first.
मैम
And
जो
speak loudly.
आपने जो क्वेश्चन पूछा था उसने मैंने बोला वो मेरे को राइट आंसर है मेरा.
This one, no?
यस वन ई डी.
D का है.
नो मैम ई आंसर.
Right.
ओके मैम.
And other student who was saying that she has doubt. Ask the,
Ma'am, I Malik Tahira.
ask the doubt.
Ma'am, in question 1.
One.
Ma'am, in this calculator.
So here 2 measurement are given. So which is length and which is breadth? Bigger one is the length and smaller is breadth.
Yes, ma'am.
L means how many?
L.
L 30 or
Yes.
9?
90.
90.
90.
Then 30, that is what?
Right.
So here in formula, what you will write where L is written?
Length.
And how many? L लिखा है वहां पे कितना लिखेगी? लेंथ कितनी है?
90 cm.
Then where breadth is written there, how many you will write? 30. Then what will be the answer of this addition?
240.
Yes?
240 cm.
No, yeah, 90 and 30. Only the 90 and 30 addition. 30. 90 plus 30.
Yes, ma'am.
So कितने होंगे 90 plus 30?
120.
20.
120. Then 120 multiplied by 2. 1.
Ma'am, your voice is bleeding.
But I was not speaking. Her mic, there is problem in her mic now. That's why. So I think so, Tahira. Now you don't have doubt, no? Understood, no?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
So that we can start F. Okay, now again I am playing that video which I have shown in starting. So in that video you will understand about square and this one. Whose mic is this?
Mera.
And Humera's my question.
Okay. Now you all can say that which shape is this?
Ma'am, it's rectangle. Rectangle.
Rectangle.
And it's square.
And this
Square. And this is square.
Square. Rectangle and square.
okay. Now you have to tell me your name if you know. My next question is that in this, how many sides are same? In rectangle, how many sides are same? All sides are same.
Can I add in?
No, ma'am. Upside and downside same. Right side and left side same.
Yes, ma'am.
Upside and downside
Side and inside.
right and left side.
Right and then left side.
So now Merin will also repeat. Merin, you can repeat your answer. That how many sides are same? Merin.
Rina's left.
Oh, so Muskan, you repeat that here how many sides are same?
Left and right same.
And here?
Breadth are same.
So up and down are same and right and left are same.
Yes, ma'am. In square
Now
also.
someone
In
same
square
on it.
also.
Here how many sides are same?
Ma'am, can I mention? Ma'am, all are
1,
same.
2, 3, and 4 are four sides
all
are
sides
same
are same.
because of
All sides are same.
Ma'am, all are same.
All are
yes, ma'am.
And all
Ma'am, because it's square.
and all means how many?
All means
How many sides are
four
same?
sides.
Huh.
Four sides are there.
And 4 sides are same.
Yes, four sides are same. So
So
that's
we have to multiply.
huh. So that's why formula of perimeter of square is 4
Multiply by.
by side. Side or length of side. You can write side or length of side. Both are same. So
5
now
is 20.
you have to find perimeter of square. Okay, so you have to tell me that what is the shape of that pillow. Your pillow.
60 centimeters. Take Tahira.
Zainab ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 60 centimeters.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Say.
Ma'am, in number E, 70 centimeter is breadth, and you have shown that rectangle, no? So in that rectangle, the upside is length.
See, if rectangle is like this, vertical,
Yes.
then these both are length, and these both are breadth. Okay, and here window is given in this way. that picture is not clear, but actually when this kind of windows are given, no, so upside part are small, so that is breadth. You can see 70 is written. Okay.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So now my next question, that what is the shape of pillow?
Ma'am, I
Shape
know.
of pillow is square. Square.
Yes, square.
Yes.
And what is the length of side?
60 centimeter, 60
60
centimeters.
centimeter. Length is also 60 centimeter and breadth
Multiply
is
by
also.
length outside.
And this is the formula which you have to learn. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
A very
Ma'am, I
fast.
learn also.
We had done Eno, I think so. We had
Stand up, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have doubt.
what?
4 multiplied by 60. 6 fours are 240 centimeter.
Hmm. Now just learn the formula, everyone.
I have learned.
No
I'm
answer
showing
is
two
Ma'am,
formula.
I learn perimeter
Ma'am,
is equal to
perimeter
2
is 40
multiplied by
centimeters.
L and plus black.
Ma'am, answer will be 240 centimeters.
This is the formula. Please learn this one time. This one.
Perimeter of square equals to 4 multiplied by length of sides.
Perimeter of a square for multiplied by length of side.
Perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by length of sides.
4 multiplied by 6. Ma'am, I have revised.
Okay. And other students, you have learned the formula.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm changing. I think so. You all have learned.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I know it answer F1.
So who knows the answer? Just write your name.
Muskan.
Muskan. Then who? Say orally that who knows the answer. That here how many we will put? Length of side.
I
Also,
know. I
Khadija.
know.
Kulsum knows. Muskan knows. Then
Khadija.
Khadija. Okay. See,
Inshallah.
we are talking about this pillow only. Yeah? So length of side means वो pillow के side कितनी है वो. तो
Ma'am, सही है. 60
who said
or
60?
multiply by
I know answer Malik Tahira.
Okay, good.
ma'am.
But next
I
time this
see
ma'am, my answer is right. That one equals to.
The answer.
60.
ma'am, my
So what?
answer is right.
64 से 24. Answer will be 240 centimeter.
Yes. So whose answer is right?
Ma'am, my answer is right. L1 equals to.
My answer is right, Malik Tahira.
Ma'am, my
Yes.
answer is right. Answer is right. Malka.
Yes, very good. That your answer is right. So now I'm showing some more object. Okay. Now someone, those who want to read the heading, just tell me your name.
Ma'am,
Kulsum
can I
Balwan.
Khadija? Ma'am, can I Khadija?
Khadija, you can read the heading.
Okay. Number 2. Find the perimeter of the squares.
So this is the heading, that find the perimeter of square. And who knows the perimeter of square equals to means formula.
Ma'am,
Perimeter
I
of
know.
Yes, ma'am.
Perimeter of square is
Clinically
equal
and
to 4
question.
multiplied by 4 side is Z.
4 multiplied by length of side. So that formula we will use. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See here written only
I
that
know
this.
what exercise.
But here is square not given.
Because you can see that here side of square means side is given, means length of side. Okay, length of side is given of A 3, B 5, C 11. मतलब A स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर A उसकी साइड 3 सेंटीमीटर, देन स्क्वायर B उसकी साइड 5 सेंटीमीटर, स्क्वायर C उसकी साइड 11 सेंटीमीटर. That way it is given. So we have to write that perimeter of square A
B.
See that way, okay? So where A is there, no square A. So there we have to write 3. Square B. So there we have to write, where is square B? Here, square B. So here how much we will write? Length of side.
Ma'am,
In
we will
square,
write 4 multiply by
4 multiply by 3. 4 3s are 12.
and in B what we will write in B?
4
Here,
multiply by
4
5.
multiply by 5.
4 5s are 20. 4 5s
Answer
are
is 20.
and in C?
C. 4 multiply by 11. 4
Yes.
multiply by 11. 44. 44. Answer is 40 centimeter.
Yes.
44 centimeter.
44.
Then in D,
In D,
length of side, what we will write?
multiply by 18.
18, yes. That way you have to write all the sides here and then you have to multiply. Okay.
4 multiply by 18.
Okay, so that is your homework. Okay, this question 2 you have to try. Even those who want to do question 3, that is also very easy. That L and B is given and you have to write, you have to find
Ma'am,
P.
I know number 3.
Okay, so if possible you can do
Ma'am, what?
question 2
Question number
and
3.
question 2, 3 that. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Goodbye, ma'am. Have a wonderful day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a great day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a great day.
Bye.
Fantastic day. Bye, ma'am. Fantastic day.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Goodbye, ma'am. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, ma'am. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye, ma'am. Have a wonderful day.